Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be opening up another Funko Pop vinyl figure. This one from Dragon Ball Z, number 106, Gohan. This is Gohan in his little outfit. And this is when he still had his little tail. Let's see, one in a set of 4. Let's take a look at him. There he is, cute little figure, just like the animated series. All the colors are right. Got that funky little hat with a Dragon Ball on it. So here we have him. Funko dead eyes, brows, nose, hairs in a nice ponytail. He's got himself a nice little tail right there. Still hasn't gotten it caught off. That's how they can reach the Super Beast mode or whatever that they do. They can destroy mountains and everything. Let's see. Again, clenched fists. It's got that little symbol there. I don't know what it is. It's got those things closing up his little tunic or whatever this is. Got his shoes. And the colors all match. So here we go. Zoom in a little on this guy. I mean, like this, he looks a little more like a South Park figure than an actual Dragon Ball Z character. Still pretty cool. I think the reason they cut off his tail in the anime was because he got out of control. He turned into a beast and he couldn't control himself, so they just went in there and shoom. You have a nice little tailectomy. After that, I don't think he could reach that level either. I don't know if Goku got it cut off or he still has it. I know in the cartoon he might have still had it, the original Dragon Ball. The detail on the tail there, nice and fluffy. And the hands have some good detail there, as you can see. Ponytail. Pretty simple. I think this is the way in which he actually jumped at one of the villains and, head-butted him. Well, not head-butted him, but used his head to hit him in the stomach and send him flying. Maybe Vegeta or one of the other guys. Can't remember who. But there you have him. Gohan. From Dragon Ball Z. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye.